nothing. What's to be happy about? Wala naman eh. So we don't think sa future, stay in the moment, prepare for Sunday's game. So yun lang. And today, nakaka-challenge kasi pag maganda laro mo, maganda yung mga write-ups. Pero pag may nag-struggle ka, may mababasa ka write-ups. So, talagang challenge ko yung sarili ko today to be aggressive, to be a leader, to be a veteran. Nag-usap kami ni Raymond, ni Bong, nakita namin yung article, sabi namin, step up tayo kasi minsan, katulad nga sabi niyo sa interview, minsan, struggle ka, maganda yung nilalaro ng team. So kahit na nag-struggle ako, I'm giving way sa teammates ko. Maganda nilalaro ni Bong Quito, maganda nilalaro ni Cliff Hatch ng game. Yung isang game naman, Sinyo, maganda nilalaro. So give way lang, give and take. So yan, nakuha namin, nag-step up kami nila